Okay, so first of all, we are going to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then we're going to create x and y variables. Then we'll do plt.plot and we will plot the x and y variables. Then we'll do plt.show in order to show the plot. And we'll run this. And we get a nice simple plot. Now in order to add in a vertical line, we'll do plt.axvline. And the V stands for vertical. And we'll put the number 5 in here. And that's all we need in order to get a vertical line at 5 on the x-axis. And we can format this, so we will do color is equal to red. And then line style is equal to dashed. And then line width is equal to 4. Now in order to get a horizontal line, we'll do plt.axhline. And the H stands for horizontal. And I'll put the number 3 in here. And then we can use the letter C in order to represent colour. And we'll make this equal to blue. And then we can use LS to represent line style. And we can also use a symbol to get the style that we want. And then we can use LW in order to get the line width. And this gets us a horizontal blue dotted line at 3 on the y-axis. And there are 4 main types of line style: solid, dashed, dash dot and dotted. Now what about if you want multiple lines? In order to get this, I'm going to create another variable called L, and I will put some numbers in here. And then we'll do plt.vlines, and the V stands for vertical, and then I'll put L in here. Now this isn't going to work because vlines requires 2 arguments, y minimum and y maximum. So I will make the y minimum equal to 1 and the y maximum equal to 10. And now we have 3 vertical lines at 2, 4 and 8 on the x-axis, going from 1 to 10 on the y-axis. To get rid of the gaps at the top and bottom, I am going to give the y-axis some limits. And I will make the minimum 1 and the maximum 10. And that gets rid of the gaps. Now in order to make horizontal lines, I'll do plt.hlines. And this time I will just put some numbers inside this. And this time we need an x minimum and an x maximum. And again, we will do plt.xlimits and we will put in a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10 in order to get rid of the gaps. Now, when it comes to formatting for V lines and H lines, you can't use C to represent colour. You need to put in the whole word. And then you also can't use LS to represent line style. You need to put in the whole word. But you can still use LW to represent line width. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to get horizontal and vertical lines using matplotlib in Python, and that is everything.